Hi everyone, creating templates. The most powerful feature of our report writer is the ability to create your own templates, your own report templates, and combine the two to produce a work product that's in your style. Let's look at the easiest way to create a template inside of the report writer. The report writer is based off of Microsoft Word, so you can open any report you would like, and that would be a Word document. In this case here, I have a starter doc, and when I open that, that is a document that I've created in the past. So think of this as a template or as a report you've already written. I've already written this report. I've made a lot of modifications to it. This might even be your own boilerplate report that you just want to link up to our analysis file. This over here is the markup language, and I'm using Microsoft Word, so if I go in here and I say I don't want to see any markup, it'll pull that off of there. And I just want to prove to you that this here is a report that would look very similar to something you might do in business valuation. However, this has nothing to do with business valuation. It is a completely different kind of report. After I get my document inside of here, what I will want to do is do the links. So I can go over to my analysis file and create my links. I suggest you look at linking the analysis and linking the external files to the report. So wherever I want my link, I bring focus to that. I press the paste link button, and now I'm starting to link up my particular report with the data that's inside of the analysis file. Keep in mind, those are placeholders for the analysis file, and as you change analysis files, that placeholder will have different data in it. So the subject company name might change, the conclusion of value numbers might change, and all of that hot linking back and forth is what provides our functionality. To create the template, I go to Report, Save As, Template. And it will ask to give me a name of what report I would like. In this case here, it's a VRT. I keep my templates inside of my Documents folder. You can go into the Options file and set where you would like to store those. And once I have my template in place, then I can use it to generate new report. The next time I want to start a report, I go to Report, New, Report, and whatever template I've started, I'll be able to choose that as the option, and it will pull forward and create a document, a report that's linked up to the analysis file, how I've linked it in the past. So let me scroll down here to show you that that link exists. Too far. And so that link exists right there. That's the easiest way to create a template. There is a second way. The second way would be go to Report, New, Template. When I choose this option, I will get the templates that have come with the Report Writer package. I can select one of those templates to start from and create my own template. The advantage of creating a template this way is that I get the effect of all of the optional content. Optional content is where the assumptions and the conclusion of value only pull forward paragraphs that make sense to the report. The advantage of starting a template this way is that you get the benefit of a standards-based report, and you get the benefit of having the optional content in place. In other words, based off of your conclusions of value selections, which methods come forward, based off of your assumptions, which values come forward, you can use that to your advantage already. The disadvantage of starting it this way has to do with the optional content. For instance, we have every single method inside of here, capitalization of cash flows. And we would have to modify the text for the capitalization of cash flows. And all of the sub-nesting that's going on with the different assumptions. Am I using Duff & Phelps CRISP data, or am I using Duff & Phelps Risk Premium Report data? And then the next one would be the DCF models. And here again, I would have to go in and modify the same text for the Duff and Phelps CRISP data or the Duff and Phelps Risk Premium Report data. But you do get the ability to see the optional content. The template can be used the same way as your own template. When you go Report New, it will pull forward as that My Template, and I'll be able to select it and choose a new report from it. And that's how you create templates in our report writer.